Hey YouTube, Daniel Carmi here for Poison Pancakes, and I'm coming here with my first Cinema 4D tutorial. Now, I'm not going to show you a tutorial how to do some 3D modeling or something like that. I'm going to get down to the basics of how to get some good lighting and pretty much render settings and how to render out a video. So here I have a very basic scene. I'll play it through. I have a spinning Platonic, and my name comes out from behind it using this bool thing, which makes my name invisible behind the cube, but that's for another lesson. Now this entire thing is very basic. I have only 3 materials to make this whole thing, but I am using Grayscale Gorilla Light Kit Pro for No Floor Studio, which gives you nice lighting. If you don't want to purchase this by yourself, you can get the same thing by adding a sky and a gradient on the sky and then just some nice lighting. Now another thing to make it nice is you need the materials. So let me show you the purple one. All you need is a little bit of specular, plastic, and these are the settings I use. Reflection, which I'll go to later. Color, just make a flat whatever color you want. For this nice bluish purple, I use 100 red, 150 blue, using the RGB scale. And for reflection, Fresnel, and that's pretty much it. Don't change any settings, just turn on the reflection to the default and change it to Fresnel. Then you can just change to another color, like this black one here. It's the same thing, but in color I just change everything to black. So now the settings, this is what my default is, but now I'm going to show you how to change it. You can start at general, come here to the left on the bar and go to output. Go from width to get a nice HD, go 1280 or 1280, and for height 720. And if you want to render background or a single image, you can keep this to current frame, but since we want to make a video, we're going to go all frames. Now you have to go to save, which should be checked. Format, go down to QuickTime Movie. If you don't have QuickTime Movie, just experiment with some of the other ones, see which one works best for you, but that's what I use. Check save and press the 3 periods over here, which will bring you to your file browser. Go to your, well, I'm doing this on my desktop, you don't need to do it on your desktop, and save whatever you want to be saved as. Let's say tutorial test, and save. And now before you do the final render, just scrub through it, click this, the white checker box, whatever you want to call it, over here to make sure it looks good before you render out the entire video. So that's looking very nice, nice shiny on the Platonic and on the text. And when you're ready, click the middle one, the box inside the orange box. And by the way, the one on the right over here is for settings. So click the middle one, and it will render frame by frame like this. And then it's going to render the next frame, and the next frame, and the next frame. And when it's all done, it will save to wherever we said earlier in our settings. And if you want to save it again to another place, either when you're done, you're going to click File, Save As. Then you have to change this from still image to animation. Okay, and wherever you want to save it, but it's not rendered yet, so I'm not going to do it. I only have 5 out of 100 frames rendered. And another way you can do it is just copy the video wherever you saved it to, in my case the desktop. So that's the way I get, and I'm just going to stop this here. That's the way I get this nice effect. Let me just show you. It's nice, it's shiny, it's realistic, and it's very modern. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.